No one knows sustainable glass packaging like OI, and we're taking bold, decisive action to create a competitive, sustainable business through the power of glass. OI is your strategic partner in the value chain. We explore new, sustainable furnace technology, and when we find it's viable, we invest and implement it at scale. Gas-oxy fuel and waste heat recovery are some of our favorites. We deliver on our commitments too. We increased our sustainability goals around energy, recycled content, and emissions in 2025 because we are pacing ahead of our previous goals. We're building for tomorrow. OI will be a competitive, nimble business that is future-proof, a best-in-class business where we create value for our customers, employees, and other stakeholders, no matter what the headwinds. For more than 120 years, OI has been a strategic partner to the biggest brands in the world. We love glass and our knowledge runs deep. Our unmatched quality, unrivaled global footprint, and our remarkable expertise will produce strategic benefits for brands for another century. Together, we put the power of glass within reach of everyone, every day.